Boxing is not just for the pros, it's a full-body workout that everyone can benefit from, no matter your fitness goals. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, improve cardiovascular health, or relieve stress, boxing has something to offer. But did you know that boxing training leads to incredible physical and mental changes that will transform you? In today's video, we'll dive into the top benefits of boxing and how this workout can completely change your body. Stick with us till the end, and you'll uncover amazing results you didn't even know were possible. If weight loss is your goal, boxing should be at the top of your list. Boxing for weight loss combines high-intensity workouts with full-body muscle engagement, helping you burn hundreds of calories per session. 1 hour of boxing can burn anywhere between 400 to 700 calories depending on your intensity. It's one of the best cardio workouts that not only melts away fat, but also speeds up your metabolism. Boxing is different from other exercises because it gets your heart pumping and engages almost every muscle in your body. Your body becomes a calorie-burning machine, accelerating weight loss faster than traditional gym routines. When you box, you work muscles you never knew you had. Boxing exercises like jabs, hooks, and footwork target your chest, arms, shoulders, back, legs, and core. The result? A leaner, fitter body with visible muscle definition. Boxing helps you build a chiseled physique, which means toning your muscles while burning fat. Not only does boxing sculpt your body, but it also improves muscle endurance, leaving you with stronger, more defined muscles. Pair boxing with a healthy diet, and you'll be on your way to achieving those six-pack abs and sculpted arms in no time. One of the most overlooked benefits of boxing is the boost in energy levels. The intense nature of boxing causes your body to release endorphins, the feel-good hormones, making you feel happier and more energized. After a tough training session, you'll be exhausted, but once you recover, you'll feel a surge of energy. As your cardiovascular health improves, your body starts using energy more efficiently. Boxing improves endurance, meaning you'll be able to tackle daily tasks with more vigor. With improved stamina and energy, everything from running errands to climbing stairs will feel easier. Boxing training makes you stronger and faster. You'll notice improvements in athleticism as your ability to move, jump, and punch improves. Boxing forces you to be explosive, helping you develop strength and agility. As you work on your footwork, core strength, and coordination, you'll transition from being a non-athlete to a highly athletic individual. The best part? Boxing helps you become the athlete you never thought you could be. Whether it's running, jumping, or punching, your body will adapt and you'll be able to perform at a higher level than before. Boxing isn't just a physical workout, it's a mental one too. Boxing improves reflexes, hand-eye coordination, and mental focus. During training, you're constantly reacting to punches, dodging, and staying alert. Over time, this improves your ability to think quickly and react fast, both inside and outside the gym. This sharpness and agility can also help you in everyday life, as your body learns to react quicker to any situation. Imagine improving your self-defense reflexes while enhancing your mental clarity. Boxing helps with both. From weight loss and muscle gain to enhanced reflexes and mental focus, boxing is a comprehensive workout that tackles multiple fitness goals simultaneously. It combines cardio, strength training, and mental discipline to produce results that go beyond just a great physique. Plus, boxing gives you a strong sense of accomplishment as you overcome challenges and push past your limits. Whether you're training for weight loss, muscle gain, or just want to be in better shape, boxing workouts offer something for everyone. Boxing is more than just a sport. It's a lifestyle change that can help you reach your fitness goals faster than you ever imagined. Sign up for boxing classes today and start experiencing the profound physical and mental changes this incredible workout can bring. From better cardiovascular health to a leaner physique, boxing has it all. Don't wait. Start your boxing journey today. If you're ready to transform your body with boxing, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more fitness tips